Hi, I'm Rashima Ingram, the Caribbean Program Director at Bonefish Tarpon Trust, and we are here at West Gap Creek. Happy to say that this creek is finally restored. Restored after decades long of a causeway blocking the natural tidal flow.
Hi, I'm Charlene Qualley, Program Coordinator for the Climate Resilient Coastal Zone Management and Infrastructure Program. We've implemented our first natural infrastructure project in collaboration with the Bonefish Tarpon Trust through a memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of Works and Family Affairs. This is a location where the causeway had blocked this natural system for years, for decades, and we saw the need and the importance of opening this creek to allow improvement to the marine life as well as the natural mangroves to increase sustainability and resilience in the area.
This now means that all of the ecosystem services from this area alone are going to tie together and going to support each other, not only for humans, but also the marine life, as well as the flora and fauna that depends on it.
As a result of our baseline studies and data collection at West Gap Creek, we intend to replicate this same intervention at August Creek in the immediate future in collaboration with and support from the Bonefish Tarpon Trust, with the intention of expanding to other creek systems in the country.